In this video, a 3D printer will print spacious lobbies. School bags become too cool for school and meet the world's most accessible coffee mug. Hello guys, welcome back to another week of cool stuff where I talk about some of the world's latest technology. Today, I have gathered some exquisite pieces of technology for your viewing pleasure. So enjoy the video. Who knew is a cup designed to be the world's most portable cup with a lid on it. It can carry any type of liquid like cold juice or a hot cup of matcha tea. It can also come in sizes of 16 ounces and 20 ounces. It is also made from sustainable material.
You can buy it right now for only $20, and you'll be making an invaluable contribution to the ecology of our planet, saying goodbye to harmful plastic and paper cups forever. There are two volumes to choose from, 16 ounce and 20 ounce. Both mugs fold up in one simple motion, after which they're just 1.2 inches in height.
Amazon in the UK is now using air drones to deliver packages which have an estimated delivering time of about 30 minutes. It's stated by using drones, it can save a lot on fuel costs and lower the rate of global warming.
To customers in the UK in 2016. And this can be considered a major breakthrough in the use of drones. At the moment, the drones deliver purchases weighing up to 2.3 kilograms, and they do so in half an hour. Amazon's standard flying messenger service is a helicopter with 8 propellers and a computerized control system that's installed in the center and top of the frame. The maximum flight altitude for the drones developed by the company is 120 meters.
LoadBeat is not your usual headphone, but it's one that can use bone conduction technology so that you can listen to music anywhere without the irritation of headphones cupping your ears.
To create permanent stickers, which can be attached to the skin using synthetic rubber. This technology is safe for the body and is already being used in medicine. But how do the headphones play music if they don't fit in the ear canal? All thanks to bone conduction technology, which by the way is not a novelty. On top of that, the device is known for its durability, decent battery life and water resistance.
Apiscore is a 3D modeling device that can make full-scale homes. The benefit of using the machine is that it reduces the time taken to build a regular home. Companies have started using this machine to build homes for the homeless.
Construction has always been a complex and time-consuming process. But as technology advances, this has changed. The construction of new buildings using 3D printing is one of the most popular processes on the market today. The novelty of this industry is mobile printing. The Apiscore 3D mobile printer prints while inside the building under construction. It is a rotating arm with a single point coverage area of 132 square meters. The device is small in size, easy to transport, and requires no preparation time before construction. The installation and configuration of the Apiscore requires no more than 30 minutes.
Teabag is one of those too cool for school bags which provide a good ergonomic shape that reduces the force applied on the person carrying it. It can also feature a single strip which can show text given by the user.
Of customers. And this applies to the next gadget on our list. Designers came up with the idea of attaching a flexible color panel to the outer surface of a backpack. Its appearance can be changed with the help of a mobile app. Emojis, custom texts, a fancy pattern or a music player widget, it's up to the owner to decide.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Do share, subscribe and also like the button. And I'll see you later. Bye.